Hey there, beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. For our first Garden to Pantry series, I'm going to take you through how to preserve your fresh garden peas. We're going to blanch them and freeze them. It's quick, easy, and it's perfect for stocking your freezer with some garden goodness. These are Wando peas, one of my favorite shelling varieties to grow here in Florida. They're super reliable, even as the weather warms up, which makes them perfect for our spring garden. Sweet, tender, and just right for freezing. I'm also growing sugar and snap peas. These are a compact bush variety, super sweet, and they grow well without needing a trellis. They're great fresh, but also hold up nicely to quick blanching if you would like to freeze them. And these are gorgeous sugar magnolia snap peas. Look at that deep purple color. They're so absolutely beautiful in the garden, and they're so sweet raw. These are not ideal for freezing since they lose some of that vibrant color and crispness, but they are perfect for fresh snacking or tossing in salads. They even do well in stir fries, but they will turn green when they're cooked. This is one of the many harvests that I've gotten from these prolific pea plants. Since I already have some in the fridge, I've decided that I'm going to preserve these. So let's get started. Once harvested, I give them a good rinse and sort through for any blemished or overripe ones. For shelling peas, just pop them out of the pods, and for snap peas, remove both stem ends and string if needed. I decided not to tag you along with the boring shelling process. You're welcome. Now it's time to blanch. Blanching locks in the color, texture, and flavor. Bring your water to a boil, then add your peas. For shelling peas, blanch for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Snap peas need around 2.5 minutes. Immediately transfer them into ice water to stop the cooking. After the ice bath, drain and gently pat the peas dry. You can freeze them in a single layer on a tray, and this will help prevent clumping. This is an optional step and not a necessity. If you are freezing your peas first, then you will want to wait until they are solid. Once they're solid, transfer them to labeled freezer bags or containers of your choice. I love using these food saver bags. They are the perfect size, and if you are interested in this method, then I will link everything I use in the description box for you. If you're using freezer bags, push all of the air out of the bag as much as possible. I'm going to use my food saver to prepare my peas for freezing. This design also has the option to connect a hose to vacuum seal mason jars. This method gets all of the air out of your jars while also sealing the lids. I use this method frequently for my dehydrated foods. For extra measure, I like to seal the bag one more time to ensure that the seal doesn't break, which can cause freezer burn later down the road. And that's it. Your garden fresh peas are now ready to enjoy anytime. They will keep for about 8 to 12 months in the freezer. I love using these in soups, stir fries, and pasta dishes all year long. Thanks for joining me in the garden and in my kitchen. And if you're wondering what to do with all those frozen peas, stay tuned for my Garden to Table series on peas, where I will show you some of my favorite go-to recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you would like to learn along with me, then please consider following me. Thanks for watching.